Hey, this is Canon Vickery here, and today I'm going to be doing Packet Tracer 7.3.2.3. So this is going to be, this Packet Tracer is called Configuring RIP RIP NG. I'm going to do the same thing as I did on my other one, where I'm going to go through, put in the configurations, and post a link to the document in the description that I'm going to be getting this from. This is a document that I put together. So I've already gone through and configured this once, but I'm going through and doing it again. So let's get started. We'll go to R1, start our commands, enter en conft IPv6 unicast routing. Oh, I forgot to put the 6 in there. Alright, unicast routing. So now it switches it, so it's using IPv6 instead of v4. So now we're going to do IPv6. It's kind of weird. IPv6 router RIP Cisco INT. Now we're going to enter into a different interface. We go to G00 IPv6 router RIP. Not router RIP. My bad. Just RIP. Cisco. Enable. I'm going to the 0 S0/0/0 interface and do IP. I don't know why that 6 isn't appearing. Let me go back to my interface here. There. Okay, so those are both enabled now. So we got that how we want. Now we're just going to do a do right. Oh, get that all done for me. Now we're going to do the exact same things on R2 and R3. CLI en conft IPv6 router RIP Cisco. Then we're going to do the exact same things for interface S001 router RIP. We're also going to go into INT G0/0. Same thing. Command. See here, it's going here, here, and here. We're doing those commands to those interfaces. Then we're going to do a do right. Sweet. Now we're going to go to R3. Put those in, the commands in for this interface. This is 001 and this is 00 for the gigabit. En conft IPv6 unicast routing IPv6 router RIP Cisco. And then we're going to go into interface G0/0. Then we're going to do IPv6. Oh my gosh. Just realized what I was doing. My bad. Exit. IPv6. For some reason, that 6 just doesn't want to appear all the time. IPv6 here. And then interface G00. And here we're going to put in the command IPv6 router RIP Cisco. S0/0/1 router rip those. Do right. Sweet, and that's how we want that. So now, if we were to look here, it should say 100%. Oh, 65, so it must be something else I need to do. But next thing we're going to do anyways is we're going to do show IP. We're going to do the show IP v6 route. We're going to do this on all three of them, so. And show IP route. Here, it's not set. Which is what it's supposed to say, but it should be all set to IPv6, so. Oh, never mind. I totally put that in wrong. That's why I was kind of looking weird. IPv6 route. There, that looks better. That's closer to what we wanted. We can do that on all the routers to make sure it's all checked there. Now we can verify that we can verify the IPv6 protocols. So we can do end show IPv6 protocols is connected, is indeed, and it's ripped. Good, that's what we wanted. Now we can also do a show run, and we can view the just make sure that the rip entries are present. So where we put them in on those interfaces, oh, here it is, IPv6, there's the rip stuff, and our serial interface should have one too. And here's the other stuff, the serial interface, which is good. That's what we wanted. We can also do that for R2 and R3. I'm going to do a quick check on something, see why it's not going right. I'll resume the video once I'm done with that. Alright, I just figured what the problem was. That was my bad. I was putting in the commands wrong. Should have probably picked it up sooner, but the issue here is when you're going through your interfaces, we'll go to G0/0. Before, I was making the mistake of putting in IPv6. I was doing router rip, and that is the wrong command. The right command is rip Cisco. And I did this right on the first one, but all the ones afterwards I did it wrong. But it's Cisco enable is what it's supposed to be. And so if we were to go through here, and I already did this for R2, that's where I was testing it out on. For R3 now, INT S0/0/1. Let's put in the right command, rip Cisco, and now we'll do right, which is what we want. Let me do that real quick here again. Do right. Now, if we look here, it should say 100. Good, it says 100. That's what we wanted. And so that was the issue there. There's a little mistake in how I had my notes written. I'll get that fixed, so it's not there when you go through to look at them, if you do. But yeah, that's basically everything for this packet tracer. You can still go through view configurations. Some of those commands that work are show IPv6 route, show IPv6 protocols, and show runs are also a really good way to just get like a basic basis of things. And so, but yeah, that'll be everything for this video. Sorry for that little error there, but wasn't paying attention with which command I was putting in, so that was my bad. But I hope this video helps you.